Good morning, students. I hope everyone are fine, right? So in the last class we discussed it is the expanded form of a number and as well as the rounding of a numbers and how to write the number name that we discussed in the last class. Okay, but today we are going to start with your syllabus. Okay, so who have not brought your textbook, so please come to school and take your textbooks. Okay, so and after the see here in the first chapter, we'll start with the first chapter now, that is knowing our numbers. Okay, totally 14 chapters are there for your syllabus, 6th standard students. Okay, so first chapter is knowing our numbers is there. So we'll start with the first chapter, that is knowing our numbers. Okay, so now we'll start with the first chapter, chapter number 1, knowing our numbers. Okay, so knowing our numbers, we'll start with that one. That is, in that first one we are having here, do you remember problems. Okay, so what is the do you remember problems? That is nothing but a whatever the things you studied in the last class. What is the last class? 5th standard class. Okay, so what are the things you studied in the 5th standard? No, that only they given in the do you remember problems. Okay, so that one do it yourself. That is the first main is the which one is the greater is there, that one do it yourself. Okay, you know already how to find the greater number as well as the smaller number, right? So that one do it yourself. And the second one is which one is the smaller is there. Okay, so which one is the smaller, that you have to find here. Okay, that is also you know. Okay, so next one is the third main is the arrange the following and ascending order is there. Okay, so you know how to write our ascending order. Ascending order is nothing but the smallest to biggest you have to write. Okay, so whatever the given numbers are there, that you have to observe here. Okay, so if in that given numbers, first write the smallest number, after that smallest. Okay, so smallest to biggest number you have to write, that is called as the ascending order. Next one is the arrange the following in a descending order. Descending order is nothing but a what? It is the biggest to smallest you have to write. Okay, so what this ascending and descending are opposite directions. Okay, so these are the opposite process. See, in ascending we have to write the all the numbers smallest to biggest form, and in descending we have to write the biggest to smallest form. Okay, so that one we have to do in the third main as well as the fourth main. Next one is we are having a directly we'll go to the exercise number 1.1. What is the exercise number 1.1? Already you know, see here, using a 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7. Okay, make a smallest 5 digit number and make a biggest 5 digit number. Okay, using these digits you have to form here biggest number as well as the smallest number. How to form here the smallest number? Now form the smallest number. Okay, so smallest number is here. How to form smallest number here? See, first value is 2, next is 3, 4. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Ascending order. Write the ascending order of a number, that is nothing but the smallest number. Write a descending order of a number, that will be the biggest number. Okay, so what is the number here? 23,457 is the smallest number. And how to write the biggest number now? Biggest number. Okay, so biggest number is descending order, means first 7, 5, next will be 4, 3, 2. So what is the biggest number here? 75,432. Okay, so this is the way to form a smallest number as well as the biggest number. Understanding what I am saying here? Okay, so next we'll move to the exercise number 1.1. So if we know this how to form a smallest and how to form a biggest number, then it is easy to solve the exercise number 1.1. Okay, so we'll begin with the 1.1 now. Exercise number 1.1. So start the exercise number 1.1. First one. Find the 5 numbers each by using the following digits only once here. Okay, so find the 5 numbers each by using the following digits only once here. Okay, so first one is given as a 3, 2, 5, 4 they given. Right? You have to form using these 4 digits. You have to form the 5 numbers they told. They didn't mention smallest or a biggest. Okay? They didn't mention anything here. You can make any numbers, 5 numbers. Okay? You can form a 5 numbers using these 4 digits. Okay? So first I'll start with the 3, 2, 5, 4. This is the one number. Right, second number. This is the one number. Okay, they didn't mention the smallest and biggest. Remember that one. Okay, they didn't mention anything here. Just you have to make the numbers. That is the thing. Okay, whenever they told to form a smallest and biggest, that time only you have to write a smallest to biggest and biggest to smallest. Okay, here no need to write like that. You can write any numbers. Just 5 numbers you have to form here. So this is the first number. Next, just I exchange this 2 and 2. 2, 3, 5, 4. Second number, third one. 2. Now exchange these 2. That is 2, 5, 3, 4. Next one. Fourth one, I'll exchange your last 2 numbers. 2, 5, 4, 3. Okay. Fifth one, you can identify the first 5, 4, 2, 3. Okay. Here we can form so many numbers, but they told only write the 5 numbers. So we written the 5 numbers. Okay. If you want to write another numbers also you can write. Okay. But you have to use only these 4 digits. 3, 2, 5, 4. Okay, so whatever the number you form, no, in that number you have to use only these 4 numbers. Okay, using these 4 numbers you can form any number I am telling here. But they told just to find the 5 numbers they told. So for that reason I written only 5 here. Okay, you can write another 5 also. No need to write this one only. Okay, there is a no restriction for this one. Okay, so not only answer this one. That is, these 5 are the not only answers. You can form any other number also using these digits. There will be so many numbers are there using these 4 digits here. Okay. So if you want to make another numbers, then make it. Okay. That is also correct. So second one is the 7012 is there. Okay. So second, the 4 digits are here, 7012 is there. Using these 4 digits, we have to form the 5 numbers. Okay, so we'll form now, that is the 7012 only. Second one is the 7102 and third one is the 720 and one is the 1720 and fifth one is a 1270. Okay, so these are the 5 numbers I formed on the board here. Okay, you can make another number also, that's your wish. Okay, so next another third one and fourth one, do it yourself. I did in a first main I did only 2 problems, first one and second one, right? So after those 2 we are having the third one and fourth one. That one you have to do yourself. Okay, so third one and fourth one, do it yourself. Next we'll move to the second main now. So what is the second main here? Form the largest and the smallest 4 digit numbers by using the following digits. Okay, form the largest and the smallest 4 digit numbers by using a following digits. Okay, you have to form the smallest as well as the largest by using the given digits here. Using that digits you have to make the smallest as well as the biggest number. Already you know everything, right? This is a very easy concept. Second main, first one. What are the digits they given here? 3, 7, 8, 1. Okay, the digits are 3, 7, 8, 1 they given here. Okay, in that see here. Smallest number. First will be the smallest number. And next one is the biggest number. Okay. Otherwise, make a column and make. Okay. Better. Otherwise, for every problem you have to write a smallest and biggest like that. Right. So here digits and here smallest number and here biggest. Okay. So what is the first one? 3, 7, 8, 1 they given. Right? So how to form a smallest number? First write, observe here, which is the smallest number? 1. Next these are 3. And after that 7, 8. So this is the smallest number. 1378 is the smallest number. Now form the biggest number. Which is the biggest number here? 8, 7. Next 3, 1. 8731 is the biggest number. Okay, so like this to form the smallest as well as the biggest numbers. So next second one is a 2, 3, 2, 3, 5, 1 is there. Right? So which is the smallest here? 1, 2, 3, 5. Next 5, 3, 2, 1. Okay, better make a column and do, because otherwise you have to write down for every problem smallest number, biggest number, smallest number, biggest number. You have to write. Okay, so instead of that writing, we have to make a one column, one box here. First column digit, second column smallest number, third column biggest number. So write the digits they given here and write the smallest to biggest, smallest to biggest. Okay. So next third one. What is the third problem they given here? That is 9047. Okay, 9 comma 0 comma 4 comma 7 here. Okay, so whenever you are writing a smallest number and here they given a 0, whenever they given a 0 in the given number, okay, so whenever a 0 is present in the given number, then don't write a 0 as the first number. Understanding what I am saying here? Don't write the 0 as the first number. Okay, if you write a 0 as the first number, then it will become a 3-digit number, not a 4-digit number. For that reason, don't write a 0 as the first number. After 0, which is the smallest here? 4 is the smallest. Write that one only. And next smallest is 0. And next one is the 7. After that 9. 4079 is the smallest number. Now write the biggest number, that is same, 9740. Okay, here nothing is changed. That is in a descending order only. Okay, so next fourth one is also, that is also 0 is there in that fourth problem. 0, 8, 7, 3. Right? So now which is the smallest value? 3. 0. Next 7, 8. After that here biggest number is 8730. Okay, so over. Second main over. The digits are the given written in the first column. Next second column is about the smallest number and the third column is about the biggest number. Okay, make a box and do the problems. Okay, so we finished the second main. Now we'll begin with the third main. What is the third main here? That is form the largest and the smallest 4-digit number by using any one digit twice. Okay, here also they told to make a 4-digit number only. Smallest 4-digit number and the biggest 4-digit number, right? So they given only 3 digit numbers. Why? You have to use any one of the digit as a twice. Okay, you can use any one digit as a twice, means any one number you can use as a twice, means 2 times you have to use. Okay, see here in these numbers we used every number as a once, right? Only one time we written every number. 1 is only one time, and 3 is also one time, and 7 is also one time, and 8 is also one time. But in the third main, not like that. You can use any digit for twice, means 2 times you can use, because we have to make the 4-digit number, right? But they only given the 3 digits. For that reason, you can use any number as a 2 times. Okay, so we'll begin the third main now. Okay, so in third main, first number. Same same, right? Here smallest and here biggest. Okay, and here number of digits they given here. They given us 6, 5, 7. Okay, you can use the 6 as a 2 times and 5 as a 2 times or else 7 as a 2 times. There is a no restriction. You have to use 6 only 2 times and 5 only 2 times, 7 only 2 times. Okay, so you can use any number 2 times. That is the condition. You can use a 5 as a 2 times, 7 as a 2 times or 6 as a 2 times. That is your wish. Okay, so I use here 5 as a 2 times. I use 5 as a 2 times. Okay, that is your wish. I am telling again and again. You can make a 6 as a 2 times. You can use a 6 as a 2 times. That is also correct. And you can use a 7 as a 2 times. That is also correct. But only you write the smallest number and biggest number properly. That is the thing. Okay, so I am using here 5 as a 2 times. Okay, one more 5 I am using here. So smallest number is nothing but 5, 5, 6, 7. If you want to 6 as a 2 times, then 5, 6, 6, 7 it will become. If you want to use 7 as a 2 times, then 5, 6, 7, 7 you will get. Okay, all are correct. Next one, biggest number. How to write the biggest number? 7, 6, 7. Okay, like that you have to write. You can use any one of them number as a 2 times. I used here 5 as a 2 times. It's your wish. I am playing. Okay. So next we put the second one, that is 0, 3, 7 is there. Okay. So now I use the 3 as a twice. So 3, 0, 3, 7. 3 as a twice. For 3 number I am using it twice. 2 times I am using a 3 here. Okay. Next the biggest number is 733. Okay. So next one is the third one. What is the third one they given here? That is 0, 4, 9. 0, 4, 9. 0, 4, 9 means again I use the 4 as a 2 times 9 and here will be 9, 4, 3. Okay. You can use any number as a twice. Okay. There is no restriction for that one. Now I will use a 3 as a 2 times here 3, 3, 5, 8. And here 8, 5, 3. Okay. So next is number. What is the fifth one here? 7, 9, 2. I hope everyone are understanding what I am doing here. Okay, it's a very easy concept. 2, 7, 7, 9. And next one is a 9, 7, 2. Okay. So next the sixth one, last number for third main. That is 4, 3, 0. 4, 3, 0 and here I am using a 3 as a twice 3, 0, 3, 4 and here 4, 3, 0. Okay, I written a for every digits I written a smallest number as well as the biggest number. Okay, so third main also completed. Next fourth main is there. Form the largest and the smallest 4-digit number using any 4 different digits. Okay, so using any 4 different digits you have to form the 4-digit numbers, and next with the condition that digit 6 is always at a ones place. Okay, so fourth one, what is the fourth one they given here? Form the largest and the smallest 4-digit number using any 4 different digits with the condition that the digit 6 is always at a ones place. Sorry. So here we have to form the smallest and the biggest. Largest and biggest are both are same. Okay. So you have to form the largest and the smallest number 4-digit number using any digits. Okay. Any digits means you can take any number. There is no restriction for that one. Okay. Sorry. So you can use any 4-digit numbers here and you have to form the largest as well as the smallest. And what is the again one condition is there given here? Now one more condition is there, that is nothing but the 6 is always present in the ones place. Like that you have to form the smallest and biggest number. Okay. So I'll tell now. Fourth one. Form the largest and the smallest 4-digit number using any 4 different digits with the condition that the digit 6 is always at a ones place. See here. So I am using a 3, 4, 5. Okay. Yeah, I am using only these 3 digits. And they told here smallest number in the smallest number, and here it is the biggest number. Alright. So in a ones place, the 6 is always present, they told. That is the condition. We have to fill only now, that is the 100 and tens place as well as the 1000 place value. We have to fill the tens, hundreds and 1000 place value. Already ones place value is filled with the 6 because they only given in the question. The condition is the 6 is always present in the ones place. Whether it may be a smallest or as a largest, it doesn't matter. But the 6 is always present in the ones place, they told you. Okay. So now use this one. So for smallest number 3, 4, 5, 6 I use. And next for the biggest number, which is the biggest number here, 5, 4, 3. Okay. So you can use any digits here. Not only this 3, 4, 5. Okay, you can use a 1, 2, 3, or you can use a 7, 8, 9, or you can use a 5, 8, 9, like that. Okay, you can use any 3 digits here. Okay, not only 3, 4, 5. I used 3, 4, 5. Okay, there is no restriction to use this only. You can use anything. Okay, so this is the answer for the fourth problem. Okay, so next we'll go for the fifth one. That is the form the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number by using the digits 3, 9, 8, 1 and keeping a 9 at a 10 place. Okay, see here. Fifth one, they only given the digits here. 4 digits they given already. Fifth one, using that digits. Using this 3, 9, 8, 1, you have to form the smallest as well as the greatest number. Smallest number and greatest number. Okay. So, and one more condition is there. 9 is always present at the 10th place they told here. Okay. So, this will be the 10th place here. Okay. 9 is always present in the 10th place they told. So, first write 9 in the 10th place. Okay. Now, we have to fill only ones place, 100 place as well as the 1000 place value using these digits. Okay. Already 9 is there. So, observe only 3, 8, 1. So, for smallest number, which is the smallest here? 1. Next one is the 3. After that, write a 8. Okay, because 10th place is always filled with the 9 already. They only given the condition. Okay, in the question. Next, how to write a greatest number? Observe only 3, 8, 1, which is the biggest number here? 8. After that, 3. Next one is the 9. So this is the greatest number is the 8391 and the smallest number is the 1398. This is the answer for the fifth main. Okay, so in the next class, we'll continue with the sixth problem. Okay. So today we solved exercise number 1.1 till fifth main, right? So in the next class, we'll start with the sixth main. Okay. So homework is solve the exercise number 1.1 1 to fifth main in a rough notebook, not in a CW. You have to solve in a SW. Okay, whatever I am telling, I hope everyone are understanding here. This is a very easy concept, is there? Formation of a numbers. Okay, so 1 to fifth main I solved on the board. Okay, so that one you have to solve in the SW, not it in a CW. Okay, whenever I tell that time, you have to write the exercise. Whenever we complete the whole exercise, no, if you 1.1 whole completed, then you can write it in a CW. Okay, so solve the 1 to 5th main 1.1 in a SW. That is the homework for you people. Till the next class, be safe in your home. Okay, we'll see you in the next class. Thank you everyone.